Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet purse designs, handbag designs you can see. Most attractive, most amazing combinations, same color also you can see. Most attractive and most amazing collection for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy and expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet purse designs and others like crochet women, long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, and woman cap, woman crochet poncho designs, caplet cap, shawl, circular jacket designs, women scarf designs, and sweater designs, open jacket designs, and baby crochet frock designs, and romper designs, shoes designs, and in jewelry crochet necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.